What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 minute drill. Well, we said 390 was going to be a level and a half. We could use that as the pivot. What did we do today? This morning, went up and kissed it right on the mouth with a very nice reject. Okay. So you could have got in on a very nice reject. Other than that, market was very melty, choppy. If you look at the 5 minute chart, lots of wicks everywhere. I mean, it really just wasn't any real clean continuation action. Okay. But nonetheless, right, sticking right around this pivot area of that 390 actually ended up closing just above it today. So we put in a reversal candle and now we have an engulfing. So this is the definition of very choppy, chop market. Okay. What's coming out that the market's going to be chopping or basing or whatever you want to call it into? CPI. CPI comes out on Thursday morning. So plan for tomorrow. Okay, if you do anything at all, is don't get caught in the chop. It's more than likely there's a small or decent directional move in the morning. Okay, then after that, likely we chop. Okay, into the print that comes out 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So 1 hour prior to market open. So you have to know that. Okay, plan for the wolves is this: likely take a straddle. Okay, before the market closes. Now, what else we'll be doing is more than likely be playing a nice IV pump into this data. Okay. So this is what I would be looking for: zones where you can add into your strangle. More than likely, we don't break out into the data. Okay. Very high percentage chance. So if you want to look at a put strangle or the put side of your straddle, you can look up here 393 and above. Okay. For the call side of the straddle, I would be looking at today's low or the overnight low or the 20 MA on the daily. Okay, which is what you can see right here, has a lot of MAs all clustered right here. Say 8 EMA is the yellow, 21 EMA is the red, 5 MA is this blue. Okay, 20 MA, just simple moving average, is green. 50 MA is right here, purple. Okay, purple actually is up here. The orange, brown, whatever the hell color you want to call this, is the 100-day moving average. All right. So if we know that, okay, we have some levels marked, you want to possibly take a low there. If for some reason we just sell off into oblivion tomorrow into the print, kind of like we did on this print right here, this was 2 CPI prints ago. A gap down, okay, a gap down, and then a crater. I mean, a major down day. I mean, just huge down day. Then what, or excuse me, gap down from here. I'm looking at this candle, it gapped up. Gap down from here. Okay, down day. Okay, and then look what happened. Major Ripper Magoo. How the fuck are you? Right here. Bingity bing bing bong all the way up. Okay, so if you wanted, you could put the put side or the call side, right? If you're out of support. That's what possibly could happen tomorrow if for some reason we just gap down and go through this 385. We want to make our way to this 382 to 383.78. That's where you definitely want to look to take a call down there, because why? That is proven to be a support. Okay. And I would look to take the call side there. Okay. Because we're going to be closing. If that's where we close tomorrow, we'll be closing at support. Okay. So the put side of the strangle or straddle, you're going to look at 390, 393. Call side, you'd want to look at the day's low 385 to all the way, 380 is pretty far down there. I don't think we get down there, but I would think 385 area would be pretty solid. Okay. Now, we could not get to either one of those ranges. Okay. The extremes on those ranges is very possible. So you'll just have to be a trader. If the morning produces a range that the market follows the entire day, great. Play that range. Okay. So you have to do some due diligence yourself. You have to do some trading yourself and some charting yourself. Okay, but I'm just looking at the levels that I would look to definitely get in. Okay, now second thing is this: there will be an IV pump into the close, 100%. My plan: take 2 SPX contracts on each side at the support and resistance. The IV will juice, significantly into the close. Sell at least half the contracts before the close. Keep one either side. Okay, bada bing, bada bang, bada boom. That's the plan for tomorrow. Wake up, don't do anything stupid. We'll see you bright and early.